It's gonna blow up. It's gonna be really loud.
And high.
Everybody ready? This is going to be the big one.
Gosh, look at that hole! They are gonna be happy about that.
Yeah, we're standing there. Can we time it and use the luck?
That was too cool.
Well done.
Where's Blackburn? He said he'd fill that hole.
Wow, look at that. I see that's
cool.
That's the first time I've ever seen anything like that.
All right, do it again.
Let's do it again. I'll buy the powder.
We had to try to beat that one.
It's a record.
That thing just hung up there.
Dang.
Oh yeah.
That is amazing.
Take it out there and clean it off. We'll shoot it one more time.